Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about crane, rough terrain crane and operation. The history of cranes, machines designed for lifting and moving heavy loads, spans thousands of years, reflecting the technological advances and industrial needs of various civilizations. Here's a detailed overview. Ancient times. 1. Mesopotamia and Egypt. Earliest records, simple cranes using human or animal power date back to Mesopotamia, circa 3000 BCE, and ancient Egypt. These were likely used for construction projects, including the building of temples and pyramids. Cranes serve a variety of purposes across numerous industries, primarily focusing on lifting and moving heavy loads that would be impossible or impractical to handle manually. Here are the main purposes and applications of cranes. A rough terrain crane is a type of mobile crane specifically designed for off-road and rugged environments. These cranes are commonly used in construction, oil and gas, mining, and other industries where job sites are often located on uneven or difficult terrain. Here are some key features and uses of rough terrain cranes. Key features. 1. Four-wheel drive. Rough terrain cranes are equipped with four-wheel drive system. Mobile cranes are versatile lifting machines designed for various applications across construction, industry, and logistics. They consist of several key components that work together to perform lifting operations safely and efficiently. Here are the main parts of a mobile crane. Main parts of crane. Chassis. Frame. The structural base of the crane, providing support and stability for all other components. Wheels and tire. Heavy-duty wheels and tires allow the crane to move across different types of terrain. Outriggers. Extendable supports that stabilize the crane during lifting operations, preventing tipping. Superstructure. Turntable. A rotating platform that allows the crane's upper section to rotate 360 degrees. Operator cab. The control center where the crane operator sits, equipped with controls and instrumentation for operating the crane. Boom. Main boom. The primary lifting arm, which can be telescopic, extendable, or lattice, fixed structure with a truss design. Jib. An extension attached to the end of the main boom to increase reach. Hoist and winch system. Hoist. The mechanism for lifting and lowering the load, usually operated by a system of cables and pulleys. Winch. A drum with a cable wound around it, driven by a motor to raise and lower the load. Counterweights. Heavy weights positioned on the rear of the crane to balance the load being lifted, preventing the crane from tipping forward. Hydraulic system. Hydraulic pumps and motors generate the power needed to operate the boom, outriggers, and other components. Hydraulic cylinders. Extend and retract the boom, jib, and outriggers using hydraulic fluid. Control systems. Control levers and joysticks. Used by the operator to maneuver the boom, hoist, and other functions. Electronic controls. Modern cranes often have computerized systems for precise control and safety monitoring. Load handling equipment. Hook. The device at the end of the hoist cable to which loads. A crane operator is a skilled professional responsible for operating cranes to lift, move, and place heavy materials or equipment. Their role is crucial in various industries, including construction, manufacturing, shipping, and logistics. Here are the key aspects of a crane operator's job. Responsibilities. 1. Operating cranes. Maneuvering different types of cranes, e.g., mobile cranes, tower cranes, overhead cranes, to lift and move loads according to project requirements. 2. Load handling. Securing loads with slings, hooks, and other rigging equipment. Ensuring that loads are balanced and stable before lifting. 3. Safety compliance. Adhering to safety protocols and regulations to prevent accidents and injuries. Conducting pre-operational checks to ensure the crane and all equipment are in safe working condition. 4. Communication. Collaborating with signalers, riggers, and other crew members using hand signals or radio communication to coordinate lifting operations. Understanding and interpreting load charts and crane specifications. 5. Maintenance. Performing routine maintenance and inspections on the crane. Reporting any mechanical issues or defects to supervisors for timely repairs. Skills and qualifications. 1. Technical knowledge. Understanding the mechanical and operational aspects of various cranes. Familiarity with load charts, rigging techniques, and safety standards. 2. Physical fitness. Good physical condition to handle the demands of the job, including climbing, lifting, and operating controls for extended periods. 3. Attention to detail. Precision in handling loads and monitoring equipment to ensure safe and efficient operations. 4. Problem solving. Ability to assess situations quickly and make informed decisions to overcome operational challenges. 5. Communication skills. Clear and effective communication with team members to coordinate complex lifting tasks. Training and certification. 1. Formal training. Completing a training program at a vocational school, technical institute, or through an apprenticeship. Programs typically cover crane operation, rigging, safety procedures, and equipment maintenance. 2. Certification. Obtaining certification from recognized organizations such as the National Commission for the Certification of Crane Operators, NCCCO, in the United States or equivalent bodies in other countries. Certification often requires passing written and practical exams. 3. On-the-job experience. Gaining practical experience under the supervision of experienced operators to develop proficiency in crane operation. Crane operators work in various settings, including construction sites, factories, shipyards, and ports. The job can involve working at heights, in confined spaces, or in challenging weather conditions. Operators often work full-time, with potential for overtime, depending on project deadlines and workload. Career outlook. The demand for skilled crane operators is steady, driven by ongoing construction, infrastructure projects, and industrial operations. Experienced operators can advance to supervisory roles, become trainers, or specialize in operating specific types of cranes. In summary, crane operators play a vital role in ensuring the safe and efficient handling of heavy materials in numerous industries. Their expertise, precision, and adherence to safety standards are critical to the success of lifting operations and overall project execution. Crane operations require a variety of documents to ensure safety, compliance, and efficient functioning. These documents are essential for regulatory adherence, operational planning, maintenance, and record keeping. Here is a comprehensive list of documents typically associated with crane operations. Operational documents. 1. Lift plan. Details the methodology for performing a lift, including equipment, personnel, and step-by-step procedures. Includes risk assessments and contingency plans. 2. Load chart. Provides detailed information on the crane's lifting capacities at various boom lengths. Inspection reports. Records of regular inspections, both pre-operational and periodic, ensuring the crane and its components are in safe working condition. Includes details of any identified issues and corrective actions taken. 3. Maintenance logs. Documentation of all maintenance activities, including routine servicing, repairs, and replacements. Ensures a complete history of the crane's upkeep is available. 4. Safety checklists. Daily or pre-operation checklists to be completed before using the crane. Verifies that all safety and operational checks are performed. Regulatory and compliance documents. 1. Operating permits. Permits required by local, state, or federal authorities to operate cranes on specific job sites. Ensures compliance with legal requirements. 2. Load test certificates. Documents verifying that the crane has passed load tests as required by regulations. Confirms the crane's ability to handle specified loads safely. 3. Environmental impact assessments. Evaluations of the crane's potential impact on the environment. Required for projects with significant environmental considerations. Personnel documents. 1. Training records. Documentation of training sessions attended by crane operators and associated personnel. Includes details of the training content and dates. 2. Licenses and certifications. Copies of relevant licenses. Vocational or technical training. Many crane operators attend vocational schools or technical colleges that offer programs in crane operation, heavy equipment operation, or related fields. These programs provide classroom instruction and hands-on training on crane operation, safety procedures, and equipment maintenance. 2. Apprenticeships. Apprenticeships combine on-the-job training with classroom instruction and are often sponsored by unions, trade associations, or employers. Apprenticeships typically last 3 to 4 years, during which trainees work under the supervision of experienced crane operators and learn all aspects of the trade. Certification requirements. 1. National certification. In the United States, certification from the National Commission for the Certification of Crane Operators, NCCCO, is commonly required. Other recognized certification bodies include NCCER and CIC. Certification involves passing written and practical exams that test knowledge of crane operation, safety standards, and specific crane types. 2. State and local certification. Some states and municipalities have additional certification or licensing requirements for crane operators. It is important to check local regulations. 3. Specialized certifications. Certain industries or types of cranes, e.g., tower cranes, mobile cranes, may require additional specialized certifications. Experience requirements. 1. Work experience.